Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Gmail account. Open a web browser and go to google.com. Click on this Gmail link. Click on create an account for my personal use. Enter your first name and your last name. Last name is optional. Click next. Enter your date of birth. Select your gender and hit next. You can either select from the suggested Gmail IDs or you can create your own Gmail address. Click on create your own Gmail address and enter your desired email address. And click on next. Enter a strong password comprising of alphabets, numbers and special characters. Confirm the password and click next. Enter your phone number for verification purpose and click next. Enter the verification code received on your phone and click next. You can enter recovery email address if you want or skip the step. Review your account and click next. Scroll down to the privacy terms and click on I agree. And there you go, your Gmail account is now ready. If you found this video useful, please click on like, share and subscribe. Thank you.